Welcome back. So in this video we are mainly going to cover about the ATM frauds. So now if we talk about the ATM frauds, multiple types of tactics are being used by the criminals or we can say fraudster. So in which skimming the card and we can say the fake keypads, placing the cameras are the most common ones through which the fraudsters commit the fraud through the ATM machines. So if we talk about the skimming devices, basically the skimmer is a kind of a device which is mainly used to we can say clone your cards. So basically these skimmers are placed over the ATM machines. So in case of skimming devices, such devices are being used to clone your cards. Second, we can say it's all about the fake keypads. So we can say the similarly fake keypads are being used and they're also being placed on the ATM machines. So usually these scammers they used to we can say clone your cards through also this fake keypads. So placing the skimming devices and we can say using this kind of fake keypads are the most common one types of tactics which are being used by the fraudsters. Similarly, most other methods such as shoulder surfings are also very common we can say in India. So basically whenever we see multiple days of long queues are there in ATM machines, it might be possible that we can say the fraudster they're just trying to read your card data whenever you are typing your card details on the ATM machines. So shoulder surfing we can say is also a common tactic which has been used by the fraudsters or the we can say criminals. Other method we can say is all about using the camera. So what basically they have to do, they have to place the camera either somewhere in the ATM machines or we can say in their upper pocket. So whenever you are doing this kind of transactions using the ATM machines, it might be possible that the scammer who's standing behind you in the queue record all your card details, including your CVV number, including your card details, including your account number, and then also your passwords. And then after we can say they can misuse this kind of data for committing such frauds. So you can say these are some common methods and tactics used by the criminals or the fraudster to commit the ATM frauds. Similarly, although such methods are being used at the ATM machines which are located in the isolations, means you can say the remote locations where less traffic is there, where there is no watchman, there is no camera placed in the ATM machines. So usually this kind of tactics, this kind of methods, placing the skimmer device, using this kind of fake keypads, placing the camera, such tactics are mainly being done on the ATM machines which are far away from the city or we can say which are there in the isolations or the remote locations. So these are some common tactics which are being used by the fraudster for committing the ATM frauds.